Game rolling.
Rolling.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, go!
Naisip din namin gumawa ng video ay yun yung best song ever parody. Yung concept ng best song ever parody, kung saan na lang kami pumunta, i-shoot namin yung video doon. Best song ever! Take you home with me. She said never in your wildest dreams. Nag-stay kami doon sa playground ng hotel.
Yun tayo, sinasya scam.
Tapos pakita sa amin doon sa playground, nagpunta kami doon sa taas kung saan kita yung mga clouds. Ayan, sobrang ganda doon. So nag-shoot kami doon.
Go!
Kasi kami na maaga tapos nagpunta kami sa Burnham Park para mag-bike. It's the way she walks.
I said,
can you give it back? Tapos sa ride park para mag-horseback riding.
Nung nagsushoot kami, sobrang saya. Parang hindi lang kami mag-video. Kulitan lang kami. Record game. 5, 6.
Wait lang, gaganto ka.
Oh. Pagkabalik mo kayo.
Let's go! Boom! Parang nahulog lang.
Okay, sa beat na to.
Kasi camera dito si
Si Renz nag-edit niya. Director na, editor pa. Tapos nag-cameraman pa. Kaya yun, nagka-agree na lang kami sa mga bawat idea ni Renz. Kasi may ideas ni Renz. Kasi alam naman niya kung paano gagawin yun.
Wala sa akin, close up. Pakita lang yung Yan.
Gumagawa kami ng video para maalala namin yung mga memories.
Rolling! Rolling!
Maybe it's the way she walked straight into my heart and stole it.
Go!
You know. Said her name was Georgia Rose, and her daddy was a dentist. Said I had a dirty mouth.
I have a dirty mouth.
But she kissed me like she meant it. Said I had a dirty mouth.
I have a dirty mouth.
But she kissed me like she meant it.
Ngayon, tapos na yung video. Panoorin nyo, sobrang ganda.